I get an illustration or a sketch from normal photocopy paper onto watercolor paper so I can color it in with my watercolor paints. So what you need is one of my free downloads, so one of my free coloring pages. They're just delivered as a PDF and you print it on your home printer just on normal photocopy paper. And I've printed on A4. You need a piece of watercolor paper, and I'll just link to the products that I'm using wherever, I don't know, comments. I don't know where I'm posting this yet, but I'll link to it. So a piece of watercolor paper, your printed picture on a piece of normal photocopy paper, and a piece of tracing paper. And you could use baking paper. I'm pretty sure that would be fine as well. And I'm also using a pencil and a piece of washi tape if I remember to do it. Also, super cute washi tape. Got it at Mona. So anyway, to start off with, what I'm going to do, also, if Will walks in, I really apologize because I didn't tell him I'm filming this. So anyway, I want to chuck down my piece of photocopy paper just on the table or whatever. And I'm going to hold the tracing paper over the top. And I'm literally just going to do a trace of that. And I'm going to use my washi tape to hold it in place. Washi tape's awesome because it's not super sticky, so it shouldn't tear your paper. Now, I haven't got this quite in frame, but, oh no, my board for lighting just fell on me. All right, you can tell this is my first time doing this. So, got my washi tape, and I'm not sure if you can see, but I have my paper and my tracing paper with a slight lip, just so that the washi tape will be sticking everything down. I'm just chucking it there to stop too much movement. My board isn't completely flat, so hopefully you'll be working on a table or a clipboard or something that is flat. But all I'm going to do now is trace this. And wow, I've just realized as I'm doing this that hopefully I can work out how to speed up this video. But basically all I want to do is trace the illustration, and I might just do like a small section now because I don't know how to speed up parts of the video and have parts at full speed, which is great. So I've just got a little bit traced. I've just got this section here of the protea traced. And then what I want to do next is pick up the paper, move the photocopy sheet. I'm going to flip it, and I'm literally just going to trace what I just did, but in reverse. It's a bit messy because I'm going quickly. And also my board's not flat. But basically I want to be tracing exactly what I traced before, but in reverse. A quicker way that I've seen people do it is that they just like shade completely across the page. Or what you're aiming for is pencil on the back so that when you flip it again, you'll trace it again and you're actually transferring the pencil onto your watercolor paper. So I'm going to tape it down with a lip again. And I'm just going to trace it one more time. So it's pretty repetitive. If you have carbon transfer paper, that does make this quicker, but also it can be pretty messy and like hard to rub out if you make a mistake. So I do like doing it this way because at least I can rub out any mistakes if there are any. So I'm just trying to go over all of the lines that I already did before. And I'm just going to flip this up to see. Now it might be a bit hard for you to see, but basically I've got that top part of the protea traced onto my paper in pencil really lightly so I can just see it, and I can then colour it in with watercolour. So let me know how you go, and yeah, I would love to see your work once you've done it.